Malaysian Prime Minister Mahathir Mohamad traveled to China with Foreign Minister Abdullah Ahmed Badawi and other businessmen for negotiations. Today, the guests visited a forum on China's Silk Road project. Shortly after Mahathir's appointment as Prime Minister, he stopped the planned rail project of the Chinese government and criticized the assimilation policy in East Turkestan. As a result, the relationship between the two countries fell apart. The China trip should now favor a rapprochement. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has arrived for his planned summit meeting with Kremlin leader Vladimir Putin in an armored special train in Vladivostok. Kim Jong-un told TV channel Russia 24 that he hopes everyone benefits from the meeting and he is looking forward to discuss with Putin the problems of Korea as well as the relationship between the two states. This is the first visit of North Korean president in Russia. For the first time, Uzbekistan, Turkey and Pakistan are leading a joint military project under the title Common Shield 2019, in which all participating armies of the countries benefit from an exchange. To start the cooperation, Deputy Chief of Staff Shurat Ikramov delivered a speech in Turkish and Persian, welcoming the Turkish soldiers in the land of their ancestors. The joint maneuver will greatly strengthen the cohesion of the three countries, said Ikramov. The constitutional changes in Egypt, which give more power to President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, have now been heavily criticized by the European Union. The referendum offers al-Sisi the opportunity to govern until 2030. A spokesman for the European Commission assesses the situation and reminds Egypt of the respect for international and national agreements that guarantee an independent rule of law, as well as freedom of assembly and expression. While the conflict between the US and Turkey continues to be fueled by the latest threats to exclude Turkey from the F-35 program, Alexander Mikheyev, CEO of the Rosoboron Export Group, speaks up. If Turkey turns to the cooperation, they will be assisted as far as possible by the procurement of Russian warplanes, so Mikheyev.